Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to develop a technical documentation of a project. Today every project is developed in modules. Now why it is needed to develop a technical documentation? First is knowledge will be preserved on paper because whatever the code and whatever the concept he has applied, the developer has applied on that module, it will be preserved on paper. In future anybody can make some enhancement also. Suppose in future a programmer leaves the company or he switches the company, in that case any other programmer can also read that document and make some changes in that. Third is maintenance work will become easy because maintenance also, it is not necessary that the same programmer will be given the same task. Any other programmer can also make changes in existing program. Another, the very important is dependency on one programmer will be reduced. Dependency means suppose one programmer he knows everything, and in future if he leaves that company, so the knowledge will be lost. So we have to make our company process driven, not personality driven. This is called process driven process. Documentation helps you to make your company process driven, not personality driven. Now let me show you with an example. Let me show you with an example. This is my project. Okay, now I have developed so many modules in this. Now upload CSV. This is a, take, consider it as a module, separate module. Now I am going to make a technical documentation of this so that you will have an idea how to get the work done in technical documentation. For example, on the top I have written the project name, modules developed, these are the list. Every programmer is required to write down all the modules that he has developed. Now details of module CSV upload, this is the very first module, so I will write this module name. I have written here function involved in this module, that is the upload CSV. Now see, module name and function name we have received. Now function upload CSV called by pressing the button on home page upload CSV. That means the new programmer, he knows that how this page is coming, upload CSV. Now he come to this page. After that he will read function 1 upload CSV leads app views.py. So he will immediately jump to leads app folder views.py here. Then he will see upload CSV function. Here it is written function name upload CSV. He will immediately jump in. That means within no time the new programmer or the new person, he will come on that function. After that, reading this description of function upload CSV. This function first uploads the CSV file in the media folder and then extracts date number, year, week number and all these things, and then with the help of lookup formula we have created the one column of month name also. That means everything is written here with the help of this year, month number, month, week number, date number, quarter. After that, with the help of lookup 2 we have created the month name also column. That means the new programmer will have an idea how this module is developed. No need to write each and every detail because the new programmer, he will also be qualified and he is having sufficient knowledge to understand the things. After that, what is written here, column name and updates the CSV. In this way we create some extra columns in CSV. This is called massaging, and then it saves the data in the database table leads app leads data. Now leads app leads data means here is a table name, so immediately he will jump on here leads app leads data. Where is it? Leads app leads data. Here, leads app leads data. He will immediately jump on this. Now structure of this table is written in models.py. That means structure of this table is written in models.py here. That means this is the power of documentation. It converts your company personality driven to process driven. If suppose if a programmer don't write this documentation, then whosoever the new developer is, then he has to make double efforts. He will spend one whole day in recognizing which function is responsible, which table name is responsible, and where do I need to make changes. He will also not understand what is the reason of writing this. Wait a minute. What is the reason of writing this lookup to, and why this is written? So technical documentation plays an important role. The formula of becoming a profit making company is that make your company a process driven. So this is what the process is. If the documentation is correctly written, the process flow will be much faster, and in this way the maintenance will be done even more faster, because within 15 minutes the new programmer understood what is the working of this module and what changes he has done. So this is called technical documentation. So guys, if you like these videos, please subscribe my channel. I will create more videos on this type of videos related to programming and managing level. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.